Okay, you go into the camera menu. This is an capture camera frame. As I said before, if you want to capture the camera position rotation, you have to use this key, and you can use the director record. As you can see, if you change your mouse and your view, it will be recorded automatically if you use that. As I said before, I explained them before. If you want to, for example, round table, we have two round table. As you can see, we have one round table here. This is for object, and this round table is for camera. When you want to camera go around a specific object, you have to use that. First, you have to create a camera and then go in this camera, attach on it, connect to the camera. And after that, select the pivot point, the target point of the camera. For example, select this point exactly in the middle of the scene. And select the camera, go to the camera and round table. You can simply select a start and end frame. I usually use the speed of the rotation with the change of the frame and does not change the angle. You can add any number that you want to rotate. This is 360, the full rotation angle. You can use ease out for first frame, ease in for the end frame, and hit OK. As you can see, animation will be added on the camera, and if you play, as you can see, we have a round table animation for camera based on that pivot point that we selected. Oh, we go to the wall suddenly, and you can change it that you want. If you select it, you have to pause it. If you select it, you can change the angle, easy in or easy out. I don't like the ease in this mode, and it's okay. If you want to change the animation, you have to delete it and again. Another animation for camera is helical. It means it's for a line, for example, building. You can go from the up in this direction, and the camera will be turn around, and helically will go to the surface and down. You can see it. Select the camera, change the pivot, for example, this direction. Connect to that, make sure you connect it in, and then helical. You can select the start and end frame, angle, and ease, and hit OK. It automatically goes from up helically to the down. Let's rotate and change the altitude. And as you can see, we have an interesting animation for camera. That's it. Another thing in this animation menu is capture in VR viewer that I explained before. You can capture the scene or render a scene in a VR viewer, and this is a movie maker. You can use it here if you want to change the frames. As you can see, as I said before, we have a lot of frames, and this movie maker attach them together and up to format is the MP4 or any format that you want. You have to specify input frame, that all the frame in it, and the output frame for changing the MP4. If you want, you can add the audio on your frame. You can change the quality of your video, and here is a frame rate. It means we have 30 frames for 1 second. It's the best way. You can change it, but 30 is nice because we have a smooth animation. If you want to more smooth animation, you can increase it to the 60, but it stays too long. But 30 is better. If you want to record a reverse animation, you can activate it. And as I said before, if you want to make 360 video, you have to make sure to tick that. And here you can change the output and then create. Okay, that's it. This is an animation video. In the next lessons, we are going to the simulation tabs, interesting part of the simlab composer. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.